What are you two doing? Silly sisters. Silly sisters. What are you doing to my phone? Were you giving me a hairdo? You styling my hair? Yeah. Hi. Yeah. Why are you licking my elbow, sir? You have a very pointy tongue. Very sandpapery. What just happened? You like belly rubs? Oh, hello. Hi, sister. Ah. Vicious biting. Oh, vicious teeth. Hi. Oh, no, your poor eye. Oh, poor baby. Yeah. You'll get cleared right up. Yeah, you get well taken care of. Get that nice and cleared up. But you gotta be good with your medicine, okay? Gotta take your medicine or else it's not gonna go away. Yeah, you need to take your meds. And you need to not harass your sister when she has pink eye. Yeah.